Hello, my name is Jamie Badesky from Pine Ridge Campground. I'm here today to show you our new telephone access control system that will soon be installed at the main gate at Pine Ridge Campground. Your guests can simply use this telephone access control system to gain entry to our campground. All your guest needs to do is enter your RV site shortcode, and the telephone access control system will call your cell phone. When you answer your cell phone, you can then allow entry into our campground. Let me show you. By using the keypad, you can enter your RV site number. For example, if you are on RV site A12, you will enter 112, and the telephone access control system will call your phone. Let me show you. I'm going to enter my short code, which is 003. And the telephone access control system will call my phone. As you can see, at this time you can carry on a conversation with the person who has just called you. If you approve this guest to enter the campground, simply enter ***, and at that time, the main gate will raise its arm to allow entry for your guests to enter the campground. I hope this is a better understanding of the telephone access control system that will soon be installing at the campground. Thank you very much and have a great day.